lecture, I'm going to talk about situational language teaching. Now, situational language teaching is also known as SOS, Structural Oral Situational Approach. So, the other name of situational language teaching is Structural Oral Situational Approach. The origin of this approach can be traced back to the 1920s and 30s. If you remember, structuralism was emerging at that time. Okay, so this particular theory is based on the approach of structuralism. Just like structuralists say that in order to understand anything, you need to know the overall structure. And only by knowing the structure, you can know the components of the structure. So if I want to know about Jaipur, I need to know the overall culture of India. Only then I can understand the culture of Jaipur. So, structuralists would always believe that we need to place something in the context, and in the cultural context, in the linguistic context, we can understand the thing. So this method also applies the structuralist ideas. According to the situational approach, language must be taught in a very realistic way. That means all the words and sentences must grow out of real situation or imagined real situation. For example, the meaning of the words are tied up with the situation in which they are used. Okay, so the learners, in order to learn the words, they should not just be asked to look up in the dictionary and mug up the word. They should rather be exposed to the situations where the words can be used. For example, if a teacher wants to teach the word blackboard to the students should be given commands like look at the blackboard, clean the blackboard, write on the blackboard. So you can see the example stresses the association between the word blackboard and the action looking at it, cleaning it, writing on it. Even if the classroom environment is limited, the teacher's inventiveness should be put into practice so that the teacher can put different situations in front of the student and can teach them words related to that situation. Okay, so situational language approach believes that neither translation nor mechanical drills can help if the words are not connected to the practical life. Language skills are learned more effectively if they are first presented orally and then in written form. This is the main tenet of situational language approach. Situational language approach says that you need to expose the students in the situation and then teach them vocabulary which is related to that situation. For example, if you want to talk about the words related to kitchen, so take the students to the kitchen, expose them to the sentences, ask them, bring me the knife, bring me the fork, put this in oven, and this is how the students are going to learn vocabulary. They are going to learn how to make sentences. So the situational language approach is linked to structuralism, and they say that meaning of words can be learned only in linguistic and cultural context. So that's it.